Hello. Today we have Android phone, Samsung model number SMJ701F/DS. The problem of this phone is the power button is broken. The ribbon cable of the power button is broken, so it cannot be switched on by the power button. The second problem, the design of this phone, Samsung G7 is insane, crazy. Because what? Because if you want to replace the ribbon cable of power button or the others, you must put off the LCD screen. Insane. Because you have risky to broken the LCD screen if you want only to replace the power button ribbon cable. So I don't want to do this because the cost of replace is cheaper than the price of LCD. I think we must do some trick to make this phone on. Let's do it. First time, you must prepare the micro USB cable and plug into the charging or the power button or the other power source, and then put on the USB connector, the micro USB, and wait till the presentation is displayed like this. Okay, like this. After this, put off the battery and put it again. Wait. When the preparation on, you must pull out the cable like this. So the handphone is on this, yeah, like this. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, the phone is on. We wait. Okay, after the phone is on, we go to the setting and then we choose the uh, what's next fitur lanjutan, or in English I don't know what's saying in English. Wait. Oh, advanced feature, yeah. In English is advanced feature. In Indonesian is fitur lanjutan. Uh, Activated the easy silent maybe, and sorry. Silent easily and wait. And activated swipe to call or send a message, yeah. Activated it if goes off, you just press this button and screen is on again. I think like that, yeah. I think the trick is like that. I end the video. See you in the next video. I hope this is it can make you alternative. You other than you took out the screen and get more risk to do only change the ribbon cable of the power button. See you in the next video.